Plastic waste has become a problem to our environment. Ghana generates over 1 million metric tons of plastic waste yearly. 76% of these plastic wastes are associated with food deliveries in Accra alone. These wastes are destroying our marine bodies and are negatively affecting fisher folk, who are predominantly women. Single-use packages are relatively expensive compared to reusable packaging over a long period for restaurant owners and food vendors. Spex is a packaging service solution that leverages a web platform to connect restaurants and vendors to users seeking sustainable packaging.
Aside from reducing plastic pollution, Spex aims to empower over 1,000 women by integrating women into the food delivery value chain to mitigate employment loss from women trading in plastic packaging, with 10 washing points as a channel to create 200 new jobs yearly by 2025. We also aspire to provide career aspirations in sustainable employment by providing access to decent green jobs for girls. We plan on educating over 90,000 people about sustainable packaging within the Greater Accra region throughout various channels. Spex's mission is to eradicate over 27 million plastic wastes affecting the marine ecosystem and improving the livelihoods of women fisherfolks. We aim to reduce packaging costs and waste while linking restaurants to ecocentric users.
Together with 24 years of professional experience in research and innovation, circular economy, project management, IT solutions, marketing, finance, and community engagement geared towards women empowerment and social impact, our diverse team members are highly committed, passionate, and has made it a lifetime mission to eradicate single-use plastic from our environment. This is why we are asking you, our judges, to select the callbacks as finalists to implement our solution to the benefit of our target audience in Accra and across Africa. Thank you.